Hello! In today's video, I'd like to introduce another product manufactured by Globecore. We have here the ZP-130 unit, designed for purification and drying of lubrication and electrical insulation oils with viscosity below 70 centistokes at 40 degrees centigrade. The throughput capacity of this unit is 2 cubic meters per hour. The volume of the column is 130 liters, and filtration fineness is 5 microns. The unit consists of 3 main components: the chassis, which supports everything including the base tray, the column for zeolite or another sorbent, and the filter casing, which can be fitted with various filter elements. Loading and unloading of the sorbent from the column is made easy with the pivots to invert the column and unload used sorbent. Here we see the supply line with a camlock connection, a 200 micron strainer, and a ball valve. The next pipeline connects the column with the filter. It is equipped with a safety valve and a manometer for pressure control. The output line has a camlock connection, a ball valve, and a brass check valve to prevent backflow of oil into the unit. Another capability of this unit is that it can be connected to a zeolite regeneration machine, which can dehydrate the sorbent without the need to extract it. This unit is built without a pump and requires an external pump to supply oil into the system. The filter is a welded vessel with a quick filter element replacement capability. The filters are equipped with a drain valve and a breathing valve.